Hi guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. In this video, we are going to answer the question, is it too late for me to learn RPA? I am Abhinav Sabarwal and I am Principal Consultant and Trainer at School of RPA. And if you are new here, make sure to click the subscribe button. Did you miss an opportunity? Guys, most of you watching this video must be wondering if you have missed the bus with learning RPA. And is it too late to learn RPA? Well, if you are thinking that it's too late to learn RPA because either you are too old or non-technical professional or for any other reasons, then watch ahead as we answer the question: is it too late to learn RPA? Well, let me just say that it's never too late to learn anything. Ever since I started to train people in RPA 3 years ago, I have seen people from all walks of life get trained in RPA, from students to college professors. And I have seen people uh, learn RPA and get in their career. So let's look at some of the factors that might be preventing you from learning RPA, and are these really the barriers that should be preventing you from learning RPA? Now, most of you might think that RPA is only for technical people, or that you are too old to catch up with the latest in technology, or it could simply be that your schedule might not allow you to learn a course that is very long. That's typically more than 40 hours. In all these cases, while the will to learn might be there, a way might be lacking. Now, if you identify that any of the above reasons, if you identify with any of the above reasons, then do get in touch with us as we offer free counseling on how easy it is to learn RPA and how our flexible timed online instructor led classes can help you learn RPA. So let's talk about some of the myths. Let's talk about is RPA only for technical people, right? So as I was talking about in my last slide, RPA offers a variety of roles to suit the needs of people at different career levels. Technical people can become RP developers and grow to achieve the position of RP architects, whereas non-technical people can start as a RP business analyst, become RP consultants, and then RP implementation managers. Guys, I'm sure all of you at some point must be feeling that that you are reaching a plateau in your career, that there's no growth, or maybe you're just feeling very stifled in your current job because there's no learning. Yes, there is money, but you are not satisfied. So what is to be done in that case? Guys, let me tell you about the four growing technologies and how RPA fits into that. Guys, today if you look at IT industry, you will see that everywhere there are all these maintenance projects, and they are not new development projects anymore. They are mostly maintenance projects, even in big IT companies, and there's a lot of competition even for these projects. So there are a lot of people who want to do these projects, and as a result, there's a huge supply and demand is low, so salaries are also not growing very well. But there are four technologies that are growing, and these are cybersecurity, RPA, that is robotic process automation, mobility, that is Android or iOS development, and cloud computing like AWS, Amazon AWS, or Google Cloud. Now, out of these, RPA is the only technology that is easy to learn and offers great learning potential at the same time. RP is the only technology that has scope for technical as well as non-technical people, and this is very very important because a lot of time, while there are some opportunities for technical people, non-technical people feel that there are not so many learning and growth opportunities for us. But with RPA, that is not true. RPA is the only technology that has great career paths for both technical and non-technical people. So why are RP professionals earn more? Like why do RP professionals earn so much more? Well, there are two reasons for that. Companies implementing RP technologies pay more because first, cost reduction or increased efficiency projects. Now, most RPA projects are cost reduction or increased efficiency projects that allows companies to save hundreds and millions of dollars. So obviously they are happy to pay you more as you're helping them save the cost. And the second reason is demand supply gap. As of today, and especially after the COVID-19 pandemic, there is a huge demand for RP talent, but a very limited supply. So salaries are higher right now. Now this situation is not going to last forever, which is why this is exactly the right time when you should start learning RPA and get in the RPA game. Guys, do call us today, and we offer a free career consultation about RPA and how you can learn RPA. Now, I understand that not all of you might be at the same place in your career. Some of you might be younger with the experience of 0 to 2, and some of you might feel that you are a bit older. Uh, Maybe you have an experience of 10 to 15 years also. But really, it doesn't matter at what stage of career you are. We have something for everybody, right? It doesn't matter whether you are in India or abroad. We have online instructor-led training. It doesn't matter if your schedule is unpredictable. No worries. We have flexible timing that can be adjusted as per your convenience. If you think you are from non-technical background and maybe RPA is not for you, then that is also not the case. We do have a lot of RPA courses that are specially designed for non-technical people, like managers, business analysts, or senior manager people, at senior manager or even VP level people, right? And we also have special design courses for VP level people, which as of right now nobody else is doing. So really, RPA is the only technology today, you know, that has potential for you to grow in your career, no, irrespective of where you are in your career right now, right? And it is the one skill you can learn today that can secure your future for next at least 10 to 15 years, because it's only going to grow. It's not going to go down for right now. It started at least in India in last 3 years, and it has shown tremendous growth. This it's like it's unstoppable right now. So guys, if you're intrigued by this video and want to know more about RPA and how you can benefit from RPA and how you can also earn more at the same time, do give us a call. Our contact details are given below. And hey, thank you for watching this video. Keep watching our videos, subscribe to our channel, and watch out for our next video, RPA COE explained. Thank you and bye bye.